is that when you have ga'ava, when you have pride, just like Bitachon is the cure for spiritual cancer, Ga'ava is the kryptonite for Bitachon. You cannot have Bitachon in a Kadosh Baruch Hu so long as you have Ga'ava. Why? Because Bitachon in Hashem by default means you believe in something greater than you. You believe that a Kadosh Baruch Hu is greater than you and can do things better than you and does things better than you. Directly and indirectly. Through his rabbi or through a million other enemies that you may have. Whatever it is. A Kadosh Baruch Hu runs the world and you submit to him. Pride does not allow you to submit to anybody. Not the rabbi, not the enemy, not the friend, not your wife, not your best friend, and not even a Kadosh Baruch Hu. So if you want to get to the next chapter of Bitachon, you must destroy all inklings of Gava. Because if you have Gava, you have this pride, any Bitachon you think you have is fake. Because when push comes to shove, you're not going to really believe it. You're going to believe small little things. You're going to blame Bitachon on it, but in reality, you're rationalizing it. Bitachon is, in essence, something that comes as a result of you submitting to something greater than you. You're submitting to a greater power. You're submitting to the fact that you don't know. And he does.